Dear fellow beings, I'd like to share a story with you called A Day on Jeju to Beat Plastic Pollution. It's about our planet and how people from all over the world came together to protect it. Picture this, a gentle June morning on Jeju Island in South Korea. The waves whisper softly. Seagulls glide across the sky. Along the shore, people from many countries begin to gather. Some hold signs. Some carry cloth bags. All come with one wish: to help the earth. It is World Environment Day, and this year, the theme is Beat Plastic Pollution. Soft music plays in the background. Children laugh as they pick up bottles from the sand. Grandparents smile while planting small trees. At one table, a group learns how to turn old plastic into art. At another, people write simple promises. I will use less plastic. I will bring my own cup. I will teach my friends. They clean the beach and join workshops where they learn how to refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and rethink their plastic use. Young artists paint pictures using bottles found by the sea. Families bring cloth bags instead of plastic ones. You can almost hear the soft hum of hope, the rustle of leaves, and the joyful chatter of people learning together. As the sun rises higher, more people arrive. The beach becomes a place of care, not just for fun but for healing. Even small hands carry big hope. By the end of the day, the sea glimmers again, cleaner than before. Smiles shine on the faces of the helpers. Small actions like saying no to plastic or picking up trash bring people together. This gentle story shows how people from every corner of the world can unite, standing in soft sand, sharing ideas, and sowing seeds for a cleaner earth. When we work together, something changes. Not just the land, not just the sea, but our hearts too.